Hello, friends. Welcome to English Simplified Quiz Channel. Subscribe and comment your score. You have 16 questions. Do your best. What's the wake-up call of the farm? Roster. Can you spot the four-legged lawnmower with a mood-eye disposition? Cow. Time to unravel the mystery of the fluffy cloud on legs. Can you guess who it is? Alpaca. Who's the exceptional bird that clucks around the barnyard? Hen. Get ready for some mudslinging fun. Which farm friend is known for its oinks? Pig. Which woolly wonder goes ba and loves a good haircut? Sheep. Can you name the majestic creature that loves to gallop in open fields? Horse. This webbed wonder quacks us up. Who's the water-loving bird on the farm? Duck. Who struts around with a waddle and loves to gobble? Turkey. Who's the hoppy friend with long ears and a fluffy tail? Rabbit. Journey to the Andes. Can you name the tall, fluffy friend from South America? Llama. Man's best friend is in the spotlight. Identify the loyal companion that barks with joy. Dog. Which farm buddy is known for its insatiable appetite and playful antics? Goat. Time to meet the stubborn yet lovable creature with a distinctive bray. Donkey. Can you identify the shaggy, horned creature often associated with the American plains? Buffalo. Who's the chirpy bunch of fluff guaranteed to bring a smile to your face? Chicks. What is your score? Write on the comments. Thanks for watching.